Sir, we're ready to begin.
How old do you think it is? 10,000? 100,000?
Mr. Wayland?
Yes. Begin the breaching procedure.
Please! Somebody! Help me!
That's the last of them. Commencing specimen retrieval. What happened to specimen 6?
Get back!
No, Dr. Rose. I want it alive. I like this one. Send in the combat androids. Mark it up for the program.
Number 6. I remember this one. Mr. Wayland thinks there might be something special about it. Let's see if he's right. Basic responses first. Simply orient your head in the direction indicated. See? Watch her track my hand. Obedient. Very good. On to the next test.
A xenobiological marvel. Excellent. Watch. These things can move on any surface. Gracefully done, 6. You can jump too, can't you? Now, send in the first test subject.
Where are you taking me? I want anybody to tell me what's happening.
Because the ADHC of your employment agreement has come into effect.
I'm not going in there.
Continue your remaining tasks.
You are participating in vital research, my friend.
What? Groves? What is this?
Seems to toy with its prey. Yes. Easy kill. Unmatched hostility. Unclouded by remorse. Mr. Wayland may have been correct about you. This is interesting. A new stratagem. Amazing. It knows that darkness is its ally. I can barely see you, 6. If I didn't know you were there... Bring me another test subject.
Clause 88C of your employment agreement has come into effect.
As long as I get paid, right? It's pretty dark in here. Can I get a flashlight? You just want me to fix the lights?
Structurally perfect organism, no question. Send in another test subject, armed. This should be more of a challenge for you, 6.
What seems to be the problem? What happened to the light?
Caution, 6. A strong indicator of intelligence. But how do you know of the threat? Mr. Wayland was right. Very good. That's enough for today, I think. Escape. Hearing the call of the matriarch, no doubt. Gas it.
Impressive, 6. Most impressive. Escape is not an option for you, however. Please, don't try it again.
What's happening?
Wayland's finally going to do it.
Security alert. Power failure. Please remain calm.
Excuse me.
The restraints. The Xenomorph.
All
facility staff, this is Dr. Groves. We have experienced a containment breach.
Nice try, but
Stay calm, follow procedures. Ensure everything.
Mayday. BG-386. Friends Prospect broadcast personnel follow laboratory evacuation. This is Administrator Katya of the Weyland-Yutani Research Lab. We have a Class 4 Xenomorph infestation. Repeat, Xenomorph infestation. This is BG-386, requesting immediate military intervention. Ventilation sensors detect potential Xenomorph activity.
Six has entered the Matriarch's holding facility.